In this video I will show you how to edit and adjust the discrimination patterns for the conductivity. In the previous video we adjusted the Ferris limits, the bars here, we moved them up and down. If you haven't watched that video, please do. But now we're gonna discriminate this way as well, the conductivity. And in order to do that, we go into the settings, we find the discrimination pattern. If you are somewhere down here, you have to move up and down to find it. But under discrimination pattern, we just hit edit and we can pretty much start to play around here. So it's quite easy. Left and right moves the starting location from where you want to start to discriminate, and up and down discriminates. Now it discriminated 3 bars and 5 and 10. So now we have discriminated an area that is 10. And just to apply it, we press that button. And then we can move around and perhaps there discriminate another area and go back. And now if we go back to hunting mode, you can see that we have new grayed out areas here. So if an object lands here, if it plots up here, it won't make a sound. But let's go back and delete those. So that's as easy as it was creating them. We just press one more time and we move back. And if I just want to delete half of it, I can do it. So press 1, press twice, and 1, press twice, and it's gone. So quite easy, very simple. And you can of course also go into the all metal menu, and here you can't edit anything, but if you leave this one on, everything will make a sound, no discriminations. And it's pretty much the same as pressing that button, which is the iron discrimination button. No sound now for objects plotting up here, and now it will make a sound, and at the same time it will show a red iron bar there. We have a ferrous bar. So that's how you discriminate conductivity. Thank you guys for watching. There's loads of videos out there if you're interested in how to use this machine, the beast. Take care, happy hunting, see you in the next one.